After Max, we've had an update to the Illustrator Beta, and it still has the turntable feature, and that one got updated as well. Previously, it was only able to process vector artwork, but now you can also work on rasters. This here is a photograph, and I have also cropped it. So this is a transparent image, and I can use turntable on it. It will give us some funny results, but let's just do that. So here we have turntable up here in the control panel, and I'm just clicking it. And it also tells us that it might not rotate accurately because it cannot really discover anything it can process in there. This is a zebra, but it's somewhat hunched. So turntable is not able to see the four legs, and the results will be funny, but let's see. So here we've got it, and we've got the control bar here, and there we can rotate this. Results are funny, as expected. You also can see that it's somewhat fixed on recognizing people inside of that. So we've got arms here and a face there, which actually are not in the original version of this plushie toy. So we've got all of them, and we've got the view from above as well, and can rotate that as well. Now, the next new feature that we have here is that we can put all the images it generated onto the page. So it's this button here. We can put all the views on the canvas. Just click and it does that so that you have all the views. It does that with the vector artwork as well. That's how you do that. That's how you use the new functionality. Have fun with it.